Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change your Facebook account password on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to change your Facebook account password, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in browser just search for Facebook, or you have to open your Facebook here. And now on this side you just have to click on your profile icon at the top right, and then click on settings and privacy, and then click on settings. Now from here, just click on Account Center and then select Password and Security. Now from here, just select Change Password and then click on your Facebook account. Now on this screen, you just have to enter your current Facebook account password you have, and then you have to enter your new password and then retype your new password and then click on Change Password. So let me enter mine here. And once you have done, you have successfully created your new password. Just click on change password here and it will change your Facebook account password. So in this way, you can easily change your Facebook account password on your PC or laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.